Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to continue the chapter geometrical figure. Now in the last video what we have learned? Do you remember? Yes, angle. In angle we learn about its three types, and what are those? Right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. Now our today's topic is circle. In this video we learn about circle and its different parts. Now let's start. What do you see in the picture? You see bangle, bicycle wheel and a cart wheel. Did you see anything common in this picture? Yes. What you see? All the shape are circular in shape. So what is the circle? A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corner or edges. Now after that we see how can we draw a circle. First we need some instrument to draw the circle. So we take a small steel bowl and place it upside down on a piece of a paper and draw a line around a bowl. What shape do you get? Yes, this is the shape of circle. But the only problem is that you cannot get a circle of any size. It will always only be the size of the object that you have tracing. What is you want circle of many different size? Will you get so many things to trace around? No. You can use a compass. Fix a pencil to compass so that the pencil point and a compass point are at the same level. Take a distance between the compass point and the pencil point. This distance is decide how big the circle will be. If the distance is more, circle will be bigger. If the distance is less, your circle will be smaller. Put the point on the paper, hold compass at the top and turn it around. The pencil will draw a circle on the paper. This way we get a perfect circle and it can be any size we want. Now after that we see different parts of a circle. See, first part is chord, center, radius and diameter. We are going to learn about each part of the circle. First, we take a paper of circular shape and fold it as shown in the picture. Can you see this tracing line here? What it is called? It is called the chord of the circle. How can we define a chord? A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. We give it name as AB. So AB is the chord of circle. Now we see the next part of a circle. For this we take another paper of a circular shape. First fold it into half and again fold it quarter as shown in the picture. After unfold the paper shape, we see again a circular shape and two tracing line meeting at a common point. What it is called? It is a center of a circle. Here we give the name it as P. So P, center of the circle. The center of a circle is a point inside a circle that is the same distance from each point on the circle. Here you see this line from center to the circle. This is called the radius of a circle. The plural form of radius is radii. All radii of a circle are equal in length. Now let's move to the next part. Here we take another circular shape and we divide it into two halves. Here you see the tracing line. What it is called? it is the diameter of a circle. Here we give it name as x, y. So xy is a diameter. How can we define it? Diameter of a circle is any straight line segment that passes through the center of the circle and whose end point lie on the circle. It also called longest chord of the circle. And remember that diameter is twice the radius. Now after that, observe the figure and identify the parts of the circle. Now here, first we see point O. Point O is the radius of, here point O, O is center and OP is radius of the circle. Now MN is chord of circle and ST is the diameter of the circle. Now, so in this video, what we learn? We learn about circle and its part. What we learn? Chord, radius, diameter and center. Here we complete a second topic of geometrical figure, circle. Now we will meet in the next video.